So, Stefan, maybe I'd love to kind of get your perspective on, this is at least how we see the market.
Yeah.
Now, certainly there's deeper slices behind this. Thinking about, what we kind of described, cloud analytics, in-memory analytics. There's lots of different slices behind this market. I mean, even if you look today, you can even say vertical-specific analytics.
Yeah.
I'm curious to get your perspective on the app side,
Yeah.
Because there's certainly, you can slice it by industry. Is it a security-based big data application? Is it a finance-related application? Is it health-related? These are big, broad strokes, but curious to get your view on that market.
Absolutely. So I think it's a matrix system, right? You will have whatever security for financial, and you will have fraud for healthcare, and we're already seeing this. So our goal actually, and that's maybe the interesting part here, is that we're trying to be an analytics platform here to then have people build stuff here. And that's kind of the learning, and especially kind of the last 18 months, 24 months, where we have more and more companies that start using us to do data analytics, and now they're kind of moving into conversations. So we want to OEM your product, right? Where we have this one really cool healthcare company, and basically what they have is an analytical offer, right? So they get data from all the insurances, and then they basically look for anomalies with DataMeer and seeing, okay, this hospital charges $300 for this procedure, this hospital $3,000. What's the difference? Or this specific doctor is prescribing, like 300% of the same painkiller than everybody else. So really cool kind of data offerings. So we kind of see also even a jump above that, not just apps, but actually just cut straight to offering data as a product. This specific example would be one where, again, DataMeer is analytics, but kind of the platform to do the app, but what they actually sell is analytical results. Equifax might be another example, right? Where they're selling data to financial services around
creditworthiness.
Yeah,
right?
exactly,
Yeah.
right.
Service
We're seeing this more and more that companies actually sell data as their product. And to get to that data, they're using, again, kind of bringing data in, cleaning the data, have the secret sauce, how they do the analytics, some machine learning, et cetera, et cetera. So that's kind of fascinating for us to see that. In some cases, for us, merge, and more companies use us to then do something on top, or again, OEM our product like Workday that then even expose that to customers, right? Just had another conversation at Strata with actually two companies that said, well, this is great. Can we just use your spreadsheet to expose it to our customers, right? And there are some capabilities missing in the product that we're working on to 100% make that work, that you literally just have the web-based spreadsheet with just your personal data. And then do your own drill down, slicing, dicing. But we're seeing this more and more. So I think there will be a phenomenal opportunity to be a platform, a data analytics platform, to then kind of power the apps. And that's kind of what we're driving forward.
Yeah. I'm curious then, with some of the most exciting use cases you see, it sounds like DataMeer is being a little bit of the analytics platform. Are you actually being the application as well, interfacing not only with business intelligence analysts, but the direct end customers?
Yeah, exactly, right? So especially the visualization component, so just consuming the result. And then again, it's getting a little bit, what's really the application is actually the data that you consume, the application, right? So there might be just a web-based or mobile front end where you look at your numbers, but the back end is all driven by DataMeer.
Yeah.
So, where's the app start and stop, and is the app DataMeer, or is the app actually the analytics that happens within DataMeer that someone clicked together? So it's really fascinating. It's for us, it's all about the business logic in the data pipeline.
Yep.
So it's we talked about rule engines a little bit earlier. Yeah, if you look at DataMeer, what it really is, it's an easy way to build a data pipeline rule engine to like filter here, join here, do this, do that, and then drive this kind of business result. And in some cases, people consume visualization of the data, but in more and more cases, really fascinating, it drives business, right? So we have one of the biggest telcos in the United States that optimizes their call center operation, right? So the result isn't that people look at a nice pie chart. The result is that we pump the data back into the call center software, and then if the call agent didn't ask all of the right question, there's another call pushed. So
Yeah.
more and more integration, again, being kind of a data rule engine under the hood, and that's really fascinating.
That is fascinating.